Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Pakistan Air Force considers the JF-17 as their frontline fighter, and it's a single-engine, lightweight, multi-purpose combat aircraft that was developed jointly by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation of China and Pakistan Aeronautical Complex of Pakistan. Even though JF-17 is so vital for Pakistan Air Force, the role of Pakistan appears to be very limited to being the manufacturer of the airframe, since these fighters feature the Chinese radar and Russian engines. Due to Pakistan's limited role in manufacturing these fighters, they are facing a tough time in maintaining them. Since these JF-17 fighters use Russian-made RD-93 engines, and now since there are sanctions imposed by the United States of America on Rosboron export, Pakistan faces problems in getting a new engine or even getting them overhauled. No matter whatever aircraft is owned by any country, every engine needs to be overhauled, and also they need to be replaced after a certain number of hours of flying. The Pakistan Air Force has over 100 JF-17s, and all these JF-17s will need new engines or overhauled engines or spares in the future. These problems are not only with the existing fighters, but also with the ones which are being manufactured right now. So what Pakistan Air Force is going to maintain these fighters? I'm sure everyone would have an answer for this question. And yes, you are right. The only option which is left for Pakistan is to go and get these engines from China. Pakistan and the China National Aero Technology Import and Export Corporation are trying to replace the Russian RD-93 engine with a Chinese version. In one of my previous videos, we already discussed more information and news about JF-17 fighters, and just to give a quick recap of the same, China and Pakistan has somehow managed to sell their JF-17 fighters to Nigeria, and this was confirmed in the official Twitter handle of the government of Nigeria. So I'm sure even Nigeria is going to suffer with the maintenance issues what Pakistan is going to face in future. Nigeria became the second customer in 2016 by placing an order for 3 planes, and the other customer is Myanmar. In July 2015, Myanmar ordered 16 JF-17 Thunder fighter jets from Pakistan and China. Even the Azerbaijani Air Force negotiated with China for several dozens of JF-17s worth approximately 16 to 18 million US dollars. The sad part about these JF-17 fighters is about several accidents since its introduction, and due to these, we don't see these fighters are so reliable. Now, post getting the China engines, not sure how reliable those engines would also be. All we need to wait and see how Pakistan is going to manage the maintenance of these JF-17 fighters in future, and also the other customers like Nigeria and Myanmar. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.